What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the fourth and the last video of the series on making a tic-tac-toe game using the basics of Python. So till now we have created three functions: print board, input board, and check when. Print board is going to be used for printing a game board, and input board is going to be used to take an input from the user, and check when is going to be used to check for any wins if there are. Okay, so we have created a fragments. Now we just need to put them together to make a tic-tac-toe game. So for that, first I'm going to make a loop here. I'm going to say while not game underscore one, and here I'm going to say game underscore one is false, and I'm going to put this inside loop. Okay, and here I'm going to check for win. If check underscore win of board, then it's going to say game1 is equals to true, and the function and the loop will end. That's it. One more thing, actually. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we need to change this player, right? We are passing only one here, but we need to change it. So for that, I'm going to be using a function called itTools. I'm going to let's say player underscore choice is equal to itTools tools.cycle, and I'm going to pass a list 1 comma 2, and I have to import itTools package. Cool. I'm going to save this file, and then I'm going to say current player is equals to next of player choice, and here I'm going to pass current player. Yeah, cool. Okay, let me just add a comment here to iterate over players 1 and 2. Okay, now I'm going to run this. Let's say 1 comma 1. Oh, okay. Oh shit, I forgot to empty the board, right? Yeah, 0 and 0. Control S, and I'm going to run it again. Here I'm going to say 1 comma 1, then 2 comma 1, 0 comma 0, 1 comma 2, and 2 comma 2. So here I'm making the player 1 win by diagonally. Okay, so it says player 1 is the winner and the game ends. Okay, cool. So far so good. Now okay, so I need to add another thing here. I want to check for if the game has been drawn, right? What if, see, we are not checking for any game draws, right? So for that, let me just say I'm going to make an integer here. I'm going to say count underscore input is equals to 0. Okay, and after inputting, I'm going to say count underscore input is equal plus equals to 1. And in this if function, in this if condition, I'm going to say or count underscore input is equals to 9. See, if we have entered 9 times and there's no win, then already the game has been drawn, right? A draw. Okay. And inside this, I'm going to say if count underscore input is equals 9, then it's going to say print, okay, sad, this game has been drawn. Okay, cool. So we've checked for draw also. We've checked for win. Now the next thing, let's say I want to play. I want to keep playing the game. Even if a player has won, I want the program to ask if I want to play again. So for that, I have to make another loop. I'm going to say while play is okay, while play, and let me just give some space. I'm going to say play is equal to true, and while play, I'm going to give tab. Okay, okay, so yeah, while play and play is equal to true, it's going to okay, so after a win, yeah, okay, here uh it's going to say, it's going to take an input. I'm going to say choice is equal to input, do you want to play again, y slash n. Okay, and if choice dot lure is equals to y, then it's going to say, okay, print creating a new game, and play is equal to true, elif choice dot lure is equal to small n, then I'm going to say print exiting, yes, and play is equals to false, and we are going to say else print this choice is invalid, exiting anyway, and play is equal to false. Play is equal to false, yeah. Okay, cool. And after every this loop, we need to define our board again. So I'm just going to cut it from here and paste it here. Yeah, okay, that's pretty much it. We've checked, we have made 2 loops, we've iterated our player number. Okay, yeah, okay, now let me just run this. Okay, control S, it's not working. Okay, there's an error here. Yeah, we need to remove this. Control S, control B. Cool. Which row would you like to play? 1, 1, 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, and then 0, 0, 1. Okay, so player 1 is the winner. Then it's going to ask if I want to play again. I'm going to say yes, and there we have another game. One more thing, I need to print it before taking an input too. So I'm going to say print board. Print board and password. Okay, Control B. So it's not printing the board, right? Control B. Yo. Okay. Control S, Control B. Okay, cool. So it's now printing the board before we have taken an input. Okay, that's pretty much it. Yeah, one more thing. We need to see, we have a board which is a 3x3 matrix, but what if I want to play a tic-tac-toe game on a 5x5 matrix? I'm not going to make another board, right? So for that, I have a code here. I have a code on Stack Overflow. I'm just going to copy this, Control C, and paste it here. And inside this loop, I'm going to ask size is equal to integer and input enter size of matrix. Okay, and here I'm going to say size and size. So this is it's going to make n by n matrix here. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, so we have a flexible board, we have checked for wins, we have made a function. So this is going to be the final test run. Let's say 3. We have a board, and let me just run it again. Let's say 4. So we have our tic-tac-toe board with 4x4 matrix. Okay, I can say 1x1, 2x2, 3x3. Yeah, so it works. So finally we have completed with our tic-tac-toe game. We have made a function. We have actually made 3 functions, and we've finally done with every loop. We have put everything together, and I've also uploaded the code of the program on GitHub, so check that out. I've put the link in the description, and the link for this website is also in the description. You can check that out too. We've just used a single function from that website, so it doesn't matter much. It's fine. This is it for this series, and I'll be starting with a new series very soon, so wait for that. And till then, peace out.